Welcome to a travel bit of Great Britain. Today we visit one of the most iconic bridges in the world, the Tower Bridge in London. Completed in 1894, it combines the strength of a suspension bridge with the elegance of two towering Gothic-style structures. The Tower Bridge was built to ease traffic across the River Thames, while allowing tall ships to pass into the Pool of London. Its two bascules, or lifting sections, can rise in less than 5 minutes to let vessels sail through. The bridge stretches 244 meters, and its towers rise 65 meters high, dominating the riverside skyline. Visitors can walk across its glass-floored high-level walkways for breathtaking views of the city. Inside the towers, exhibitions tell the story of Victorian engineering and innovation. At night, the bridge is beautifully illuminated, reflecting in the waters of the Thames. For over a century, Tower Bridge has stood as both a functional crossing and a work of art. It is often mistaken for London Bridge, but its unique design sets it apart. The bridge has become a symbol of London's identity, appearing in films, TV shows, and countless photographs. During ceremonies and events, the bascules still open, continuing its role as a living landmark. Tourists flock here daily, combining a visit to the Tower of London next door with a walk across the bridge. Standing on its deck, you feel both the pulse of modern London and the echoes of history. The blend of stone and steel tells a story of tradition meeting progress. Tower Bridge is not just a crossing, it is an experience in itself. Its beauty and purpose make it one of the greatest bridges ever built. This is the Tower Bridge, and this is a travel bit of Great Britain. The world is full of places like this. You just have to stop and see them. See you in the next travel bit.